Today on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, we are going to be making Mounds Bar muffins. And here we go. First thing we're going to do is we are going to take 2 cups of flour. Oh, I'm going to preheat my oven to 400. There we go. Okay, 2 cups of flour. And then I'm going to have half a cup of sugar. And then I'm going to put in 3 teaspoons of baking powder, my way. I'm going to mix that up. I got some sugar that's got some little lumps. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to add 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Instead of regular oil, I'm going to use coconut oil. Organic coconut oil I got. And then I'm going to add a cup of milk. Then I'm going to add some vanilla, about a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to add one cup of coconut. And I'm going to add, I bought the dark chocolate chips because I want them to taste like Mounds Bars. I got the Nestle's dark chocolate chips. I'm going to put a cup of those in. These are the bigger chips too. Put a cup of those in. And then I'm going to clean up my mess. Mix that up with my nice little rubber spoon. Make sure you get the egg beat up good. You know what? I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of milk. Actually, maybe a 1/2 cup of milk. I think the coconut took some of the moisture away, so I'm going to do that. All right. And I almost forgot, oh my goodness, a teaspoon of salt. Can't have sugar without the salt. It just doesn't go good. It's been a long time since I made these. Sorry, guys. Okay. Look at that. Can't get that all mixed up. And as always, I know it's a raw egg, but you always want to taste your batter because that will tell you. Oh, perfect. what's missing. And what I've done is I've buttered my muffin tin with coconut oil. So I'm going to put those in there. I never, ever wash my muffin tin with soap. I always wash it with just hot water and a scrubby, because you want to keep your muffin tins seasoned. That is the trick to getting them to pop out for you. My ex-husband used to have a business where he went into small factories in the morning, and I always made the muffins for him to take to all the little factories, and they called him the Muffin Man. So I have made muffins, and more muffins my whole life. And I am going to now, usually what I do with my muffins is I take and put brown sugar on the top. But today I'm going to put just a little bit of chocolate chips on the top. I think it'll make it look pretty when they're done baking. Just a few on each. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake these for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes on 400. And once this gets up to 400, I'm going to pop them in and we'll show you what we got. Mounds Bar muffins. Yum, yum. They're coming out of the oven. Look at these beautiful Mounds Bar muffins. Normally I plop them onto my platter, but seeing how these are, they've got the warm chocolate chips on them, I'm not going to do that. But I just wanted to show you these beautiful coconut dark chocolate yummy Mounds Bar muffins. Your kids will love them, or your group, or whoever you want to give them to. And I wanted to tell you, I'm going on a cruise for about a week and a half with my sister-in-law, and I'm not going to be here to do videos. And I have 100 other videos you can watch, and they're all fun and informative, and sourdough bread, and countertop burritos, and yummy cheesecake. I have all kinds, almonds, candied almonds. I have all kinds of yummy stuff you can watch. So be sure to subscribe, because I will be back. And thank you so much for watching. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.